We're going to do a really quick dive into solving for missing sides in a right triangle using trigonometry. Okay, so we have an angle here in this example that's 54 degrees. Now this 54 degree angle has a side here that's the opposite, the hypotenuse over here, and our adjacent is this one. Okay, so adjacent and opposite are the two that we know, or that we know the opposite is x and we know the adjacent is 12. So that would be opposite and adjacent. That would follow our tangent. That's the TOA, tangent equals opposite over adjacent. Okay, so the way I'd write my trig equation, I would say tangent of 54 degrees equals x divided by 12. Okay, now you notice that the x is in the numerator. So to solve for this one, I would simply move the 12 over to the other side and write it like this. X is equal to 12 times tangent 54. Okay, so 12 times tangent 54 is 16.5. So x equals 16.5. In our second example, we have a side here that's pretty similar shaped. We're looking at an angle of 61 degrees as our reference angle. So here's our opposite. Here's our hypotenuse and adjacent. Okay, so we want to find the hypotenuse and we know the adjacent, so that's A and H. So we know it's a cosine, CAH. Okay, our equation in this case is cosine 61 degrees is equal to adjacent 17 divided by opposite hypotenuse x. So the x here is in the denominator. Okay, when we see that x in the denominator, to solve for it, we basically switch places with the x and the trig ratio. So when we solve for this, it's x is equal to 17 divided by cosine of 61. Okay, 17 divided by cosine of 61 equals 35.1. So x is equal to 35.1. I hope this was informative, just a reminder of how we actually solve these. Remember, if the x is in the numerator, it's the denominator times the trig ratio. If x is in the denominator, you have to divide by that trigonometric ratio to solve it.